FM Dr. Nana UFA. When I'm a brasher, Jenny, my Fijasia Sokori. I have an MP Fijasia Sokori. With God on my side, Yankopo Adaroma, and in another Danko Kufado Adaroma. But to me, in Yanyama Biana, a down my Kuma Subibre, Edia Mefijasi for. And the Edika, Fijasi town roads, Efin Kruma Prenso. Yehu town roads where your Kruma has said, they never buy a Fijazia. I town roads in Amaya, Nina and 1 2 years. And Nanado so support here only Honoma. And yet Nipe any radical swa and Amaso. Oko into Kumso, Ecosia Paso, our Moye light no Honoma. If in Kruma Prenso, Sir could never Honumuna, Yenya lighted that. Yamadaroma, ye see Edin Kania, Ebeba, Ayadia, yeah. Education. The buy a non colony pass rate, no. Ayadia number, 61. And actually, a core 53, and a core 51%. That's just a passes now. A bat nichi, just en colano, control social not be brain, a fili a bet nafi. In the mini education director, Mokai, and I team pair Sika, the vacation classes, I'm a sponsor, Nina. But also making sure that I'm tour motor bicycles, Edema education for no circuit supervisors. Because no was a car anymore, motor anymore. To almost mean Ponko schools, no crochet. The teacher for there was on way or more to motorcycles, Edema or cars who are now say, I no want to mean cost supervision. The Momo Koto engine more as a car, no crack car, and I'm for a new car. There's also co education, eco lobby there, a bit more car, or call health as well. Will lobby a more car. Empono na your district health director. In favor do Numuniana or be every commerce never. But now so correct here, my dime be in favor 12 years near do me and that one man just in running way, just if I am bassa. Yes, Debbie. I was a Quambia to be CSC, to me CSC, Yankopo Adaroma. District director for the first time in about 15 years. In your Tihano, Oma in my wua, na echo a mafok or wua, no move, would they see an abafom? Just say, a promudia no more, Hano Modemokwa, Mubi who say, everything has changed. We be as a son. Inti ya no wo masanso to equipment beds ne nyama bebre a mede chair ema all of them ultrasound a mede call akokwaso a me kofa obi call akra eco training no na me daroma ono na se yes scan first na ye ma no bebre kokuma se si ade mede ne call eco training no ono no yes scan no ma ye ukọ Fijazi hospital na de ye operation ye home no anesthesia machine omo de na say j new one and mede ma omo 3 days ago, me confer omo damase. Say, men are my bombers, so much me your operation. Then possession and promonia generator, omo person say, omo generator saying to say, and same be omo ye be say, light and call offer, and in some member, and then walk down. Oko, this assembly wa, this will help a retreat, you know. Me bimu, me ana me find here, me ye projects were ashewa, and also me ana me finance here, egusua, eba. Into Uko Apomudia, Masanso Abua, Uko Equia Chroma, Chips Compound, Nana me call Ministry of Health, Nana cross here. Since I may know what I say, of the 88 projects, my color be so much, and my good argument over the Ministry of Health. Omodia Kahua, if it just me your pay, na 88, no, and that's 101 of the project, Yabesi District Hospital, and my Fijazi, me your pa next year. Who could do Fiyazi 6 units? Ekoso, Edenya Miase, Afamiso Aba. Who could do that Kohuswa 6 units? Ekoso, Ewoho. Who could do Esukoko? And when you're Adia Yewie, and so you're starting, and you made a daroma so. Yankwa Fia, Yebe Munana Yewie. Who could do Dra, and also so Yaya. Who could do a Kaikroma? Yeah, maternity. Me and my Grace Coleman. On one start here. And oh yeah, and oh yeah, so be a me transibio. And we know the two that is in the band about baby man. Tiako, Baya was me and 9 year Yako and 9 numuni. Yako yen the camera, SCSC, I had Yatono. I know so uko a free young for honeymoon na money na see a honor or more. Equano or Makoda. Who could do Seneja, small water systems no town water ye more yet by November no maybe and also Yankopon Daroma efa na nado so me ana me nante so a me call ya me sako kan saa project no asantema yema yemienu Fijanse Asokore enya baako ai di nsuo eba sini jaman mu nyina na ebi so akọ odwa na ebi so akọ senchi eno so yade a anamon a bitu ya yensaka no okodu ekua kroma next quarters so almost pla chips compound omo ye no eno so ye eduma me ana me de ye even class ni eja ya me call ye kra no get fund project am ko giba Methodist PHS we ho no mu no eno me ana me call lobby ya mensa e kan ya ye de e ma yen na ye koye ni mu no ye beza nso so akase especially oba na se obedru kwan na ko fintunkum su ho no electrification project no so no I have tried and yansaka empono edru point bi na edin say sika beba but na was me yimi botum sika ede ma community ne contractor no na ekwan bia so no otimi ede ye light no ema yen there were other projects be of presidential interventions like the MSI or constitutional toilets Krobia Sante Osanso ko Efijase Osanso ko Efijase hospital there was a constitutional toilets a very easy congestion a lot and burden on them and also to know a yadia and Daroma and also yaye Oko warehouse project here was Korea and a couple of Daroma ya warehouse ya maya kesi pa I also know ebe help you for food security adia ba ko ehia yen it has gone on extremely well and the warehousing project here there are some pavilions amaye oko Amas maye pavilion oho oko Roman school maye pavilion oho no ani na no support the education system because by and large ebia larger enrollment oho no oko Fijanse secondary school there are 12 unique classroom block. I was there. I have to lobby and get it there. Now, the beautiful thing that is going to come our way, and it's a bus is in Ayabano. Every school is going to get a bus. And that is a beautiful thing from the MPP government and Anado. Or they deliver my 2 man among Makwako Drew, you follow minim. The schools need to say 4 schools, all of them are going to get this. And that's good news for all of us. Coronavirus by is me here. Your hospital, St. John's Hospital Fertility Center. You have donated in Kanisika 200 million and as in 20,000. Yadi a support to district, Say Omofa Enko. Business Development Center. The Business Resource Center project now, President mentioned the State of Nations address. Of our soccer reading, which is full. Says here na fa in Manchester Baba wa ebe trainee woman. Me and Kasamin Crawford, a homo fabi. Driver ya fa no wa soccer mame. And I'm offer 2 of my people, on my employer. I'm happy about this development. And I think, say, you better second term, no. May minimum promise. By the mechanism, you're trouble man and out of Danko Kufadwa. At any point in time, no. Projects are Kabiano. We should be able to come in with new ones. And at the other so you bet me at various levels of completion, you bet me a complete. We could do a Fijanse secondary school. And also 12 units block, Yankopon Daroma, Yansaka, True Get Fund. And now with 600 chairs. And then also girls dormitory project is ongoing very rapidly. And these are things that yes telling and very much achieved. And yeah, they are now what that. We didn't have it. Just at the end of the time, na yeni, na nado Daroma, and na aba, sabin previasa, on Bayi Sikan Shen Nipa Baku for Ubotoma. By all means, and that is exactly what politics is about. Oko NHI is you see on head office, new one. As on baby next year, I'm sure by February, March, no maybe. Yes, Ghana for Brazil. This idea, someone is saying another Danko Kufado. Why be? Indeed, Cecilia, I was saying in a trade for a new. May you shake a car, why ye? Near Shay and Dachi, ye ma, near the 4 more or the manana. The Buffy just has a corridor, and they are not a corridor. Junior means you call for nothing to me, and the just a 4 near to us. I could put shining now.
It's going to succeed. Oh, yeah, winner.